Okay, I'm looking at this estate here, which I'm quite familiar. The roof, this is the first attention to act when you buy this house. The moment we remove the roof, at times the roof condition may be acceptable. Maybe the owner has maintained to replace the insulation. Where in this case, nothing was done for the last almost 15 years or 10 years. So the first action we have to do now is to take out all the raw wool insert and replace the new and check on the leakage in the roof.